Danny here with Masked Man Fishing. Decided not to go out today. It's cold, it's super windy, and I've been wanting to install these. This is the SeaVolt. These are from West Marine. They're like, I don't know, they're 750 lumens. Oh, it says it right there. 750 lumens. They're 12 volt white. They're super bright. I hooked one up in the basement. And I've got this little step up on my boat right here, so I can actually add one on either side. So I went ahead and got two of them, and yeah, I'm gonna install them, see how these things work. I got the two lights, the drill for the or the bit for the switch. These are the waterproof connectors that I'm going to use. They've got a gel inside of them, which hopefully those will work out good. The switch is really cool. I ordered it. It's got a little Sasquatch on it, which I thought was cool. I got my wire, some miscellaneous connectors, and then of course the 3M 5200, which is a necessity. So hopefully this won't be too hard. I know it's easy to hook them up, but running the wire can be a pain in this thing. So stay tuned, check it out. Hopefully it turns out good. All right, first things first, I'm gonna tape the bottom up. I like to mark on the tape instead of the boat, and I like drilling through this better actually. So could be personal preference. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'll be able to lay these out where I want, and then I'm going to check on the inside and make sure that there's proper clearance. I'm not drilling through anything important. So now I'm in the boat. I'm going to check the inside, make sure I got clearance to where I want to put them, so I'm not drilling into anything. And I'll show you what I mean by it being a pain. Because here's the, let me turn this light up. Here's the entrance, or the hole that I got to work with. As I tell you, yeah, I'll just show you. Yeah, there's not a lot of room. So I'll put this down inside of here though. And this shelf right here is the one that I'm going to come in through. And it looks like there's nothing above it where a little wire can't go through. So I'm going to measure it. But there should be plenty of clearance. Okay, so I found an aerator line because I got an aerator pump in my center console. So I'm going to tie, I popped it off right here. So I'll knock this little piece off. I'll tape these to it here, pull that through, and then pull the air line back through. So that should solve that problem. All right, got it all taped up. Let's see if she'll pull through. Hopefully this goes easy. All right, I got it through. Let's hold that there, and then I'll tie the air line that I pulled through back to this line. This is just an air line that I had, but any kind of wire would have worked. And I'll pull it back through and hook it back up. All right, see if I can get this air line back through. Boom. Got it. Sweet. Alright, now for the scariest part ever. The drilling the hole part. Nobody likes to do this. All right, now we're gonna hit it with some acetone. This will get any kind of oil or anything like that, so this glue really sticks and sets up good. All right, next morning we're getting ready to install these lights. And I got my 5200. This is the one that I went with is the fast, so you can see it better this way. The fast cure, but it really doesn't matter. It was gonna sit long enough. That's just what they had. I'm using the white because the hole's white. And then what I'm gonna do with these lights, where the wire comes through, I'll put a bunch of 5200 right here, and then I will also do the screw holes. And that way no water can get through the hole, because this, obviously this goes right through, so don't want any leaks. All right, one pro tip: anytime you're going to use this stuff, be sure to keep some acetone close by and some rags, because it's going to get on you no matter what you do. It just happens. You're going to wear it. All right, I've got all these wires run through. The lights are mounted, got the 5200 on them, and I'm able to wire it from back here, so that's nice. So these are the wires from the lights. This is the wire that's going up into my center console, and I just dropped one. Dang it. So I'm using these connectors that'll go from 3 wires to 1. That way I can just easily clip these on. They've got a gel in them. I will tape them, but I'm not going to use like wire nuts. These are the wire connectors I used. I got them on Amazon. I will oh, here's the thing on the back. I will I'll share a link to the product. That way if anybody wants to try them, I think they're going to work out. What we're going to do here is we're going to push in the black wires. So we got 1, push them all the way to the back. 2, all the way to the back. Maybe. And 3 all the way to the back, and then we'll crimp it. And there we go. And you can see the gel came out of the bottom. These can't pull out. We got a good connection. And no splicing. So now we got a waterproof connection. So pretty happy with these. I think these are going to work out good. All right, I got these all hooked up. I'm gonna tape them, just another layer of protection. And I'm gonna zip tie these inside of here, out of the way, just make it nice and neat in there. And I'll take a photo with my phone and show you here, because I can't get this camera in there, but I can get my phone in there. I'll take a picture. But you can see here where I zip tied it to this piece of pipe here, and just kind of hid everything out of the way, make it nice and clean. All right, here's the part that's a pain. Not because it's hard to do, but because it's really hard for me to get into this center console. I'm gonna wire to my switch, or my fuse box here. This is my negative, and my positive will come off of this, which I'll have I'll put a fuse in it. So this will be my positive, this is my negative lead here, and then my switch will go on top. All right, and this is what it looks like all done. The cover here is all labeled. I gotta get a new label for that one, but it's the underwater lights. Just gotta get the label for it, and that's it. Let's see how these things work. Had to come out here, put it in the water. Let's see how it works. I got my buddy Frank with me.
What's up, guys?
I can't even see you on there. Yeah, I see you.
What's up, guys?
I got Frank with me, who got me this for Christmas, by the way. But here we go. Let's see how it works. Here's the button. The button works. And oh yeah. It works like a champ. All right, well, thank you for watching. We're gonna call this the Masked Man maintenance moment.
Yeah, that's right.
Maybe. But anyways, thanks for watching. Love this thing. This thing turned out great, and there'll be more to come. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Masked Man out.